Two video game stocks in the spotlight this week. Activision Blizzard's third quarter profits came in higher than expected, and second quarter revenue for Take-Two Interactive came in higher than expected. And both of these stocks, David, despite those headlines, both of them falling more than 10% this week.
Well, Chris, I think we can go to a little poem here to maybe explain what's going on here. When when the valuation is lofty and growth is lumpy, Wall Street will be grumpy. That's my analysis for the day. I think I'm going to hang my head up there. And but anyway, Activision.
Wait, you wrote a poem?
I mean, I don't know if that counts as a poem. It's like,
but you came up with that.
I came up with it.
You know, between that and Twillification, there is some serious money being made by someone somewhere based on the IP that we're kicking out.
Somewhere, and appification.
Yeah.
Which is a really clumsy word, but...
If this thing at the Fool doesn't work out, I'll start writing some more poems.
Robert Frost.
Yeah. Follow me on Twitter, everyone. So anyway, going to Activision, the quarter was pretty strong, but I think their guidance for the next quarter and the rest of the fiscal year was just slightly below Wall Street expectations. And by slightly, I mean, we're talking less than 5%. But this quarter, they saw some key launches of their existing franchises like Call of Duty with Black Ops 4, World of Warcraft, Candy Crush. Call of Duty, this latest version, generated over $500 million in the opening weekend, so that's a pretty strong release. But going into this, like I mentioned in that poem, the company's valuation has been lofty over the past year or two. But now after this drop, the stock's down about 13% or so, now trading for about 21 times forward earnings. So from a valuation perspective, it's finally starting to get back into that reasonable range.
We've talked before about this industry being, like the movie industry, it is a hits-driven business. So is there one franchise in either of these companies that you look at that you think, boy, if they can produce a big hit in this franchise, whether it's this holiday quarter or in 2019, it's really going to juice the stock?
Well, for Take-Two Interactive, Red Dead Redemption 2 is their latest release, and that just did phenomenally well. In the first 8 days, Red Dead Redemption 2, which launched in October, sold more than the first Red Dead Redemption did in its first 8 years. So Red Dead Redemption 2 brought in $725 million over the opening weekend. So far, it's already sold over 17 million units globally. So packing a powerful punch right up there along Grand Theft Auto 5, which for a long time has been the main revenue generator for Take-Two. But this is a lumpy business. It's really based on the timing of these releases. So at the end of the day, for these companies going forward, it's about how recurring can they make these releases. But so far, these steady franchises continue to do really well.